The library has a number of online collections for allied health. You can find them under articles and databases, and you can access them 24/7 using your Canvas login and password. So I'm going to click on articles and databases. From here, I'm going to go to subjects and look under health and sciences. And we're going to go ahead and look at this first one, CINAHL. Once we get to the database, we can put keywords in the search box. I'm going to go to the advanced search, which gives me more boxes. And from here, I could put in keywords like radiology, breast cancer, tumor, and search. I could also change this to what's called a subject search. So instead of searching for the keywords, breast cancer, for example, it will look for the subject breast cancer. So the articles that are pulled up, they can't just mention the words breast cancer, they have to be about the subject of breast cancer. What we're going to do today is look for a particular journal, radiologic technology. So we're going to change this over here to publication. And it's going to look for articles in this publication. I'm going to add the keywords breast cancer down here and do a search. We get about 200 results, but we're going to narrow that list down a bit over here on the left where it says refine results. The two things I'm going to do are click on full text, so everything on our remaining list we have full text access to. And I'm also going to change the date to 2016, so we're only looking at articles from 2016 to 2021. There are some other ways here on the left you can narrow down your results, but we're going to leave it at that. We have about 36 articles. We can scroll through, look at the titles, and when we find something we want to look at, click on that title for more information. This record includes a fuller description. Down here under abstract is a short summary of the article. And if it looks like something you want to use, you can click over here on the full text to start reading. And on the right side here, you have tools to print, email, and cite this article. I recommend when you email yourself articles that you also get the citation. If you select your citation style here and put in your email here, it will send you a copy of the PDF as well as a draft of your citation. If you get stuck at any point, please contact us through Ask a Librarian. We can help.